Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop. Today I'm looking at the taxi tomato. This is a determinate tomato variety. Well, it's supposed to be. I put some bacterial fungicide on here and they went kind of crazy. But they're supposed to be yellow, dark orange. These ones are dark orange. The best when they're dark orange. And supposed to be a determinate bush variety. This guy's kind of went a little crazy. But anyways, taxi tomato, incredible tomato variety, very, very tasty. Oh, critter got to that one. I better take care of that soon. But yeah. I hope you're enjoying your garden as much as I do. Oh, and here's a couple of my Grand Nain banana plants. Well, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop, looking at the taxi tomato. Happy gardening.